Welcome from Invader Pretoria. I've showed you previously how to install the pipes on the new Quattro tent. There's just a few tips if you remove the pipes. There's no special sequence. You can remove any pipe at any point. It's not like when you install it, you start with number 4 and then you go 1, 2, 3. So I'm just going to do 2 pipes just to show you what you have to do with the material on the bed. When I take it out here, I don't pull it, I just turn it to the side and it comes out nice and easy. Then on this one, that wall comes towards you. So you pull the wall, you remove the pipe, and then you have to remember that pipe that we just saw has to be flat on the bed. So I've got to take out all the canvas on both sides. There's the one side out. I've got to do the same on this side. And that pipe's got to be flat on the bed with no canvas between the pipe and the actual mattress. And then on the main bed you do exactly the same. And when you close the trailer now, the canvas will be nice and flat when you close the lids. Thank you.